Hello and welcome back to another James Prop Maker video on Griffalo. So it's 1 week after the event of Doncaster. If you did see in the last video, when we were there, I was cutting away at these forks extensions because he was too low to the ground, which didn't really achieve anything when we were there. It was actually the wheels that were, once this was compressed, it was touching the floor. But we found a solution for that, so that will be in the next video. But I thought I'd just do a video of me messing with the forks, welding on the plates back on, welding these back on like that. But I need to obviously grind it all out. So with the wheels, we're going to have solid rubber tyres, and then I'm going to put an inner tube, not an inner tube, like a mountain bike tyre over it and screw it down, which will then give us the height. So I'm just going to, might as well just see me mess around. Annoyingly, I've only got an arc welder at the workshop here in the garage, so I'm going to try my best to weld it up. But first of all, we need to grind this back down flush again, so we don't have any gap. But that's what it's going to be like. It's going to be like that. And at the very back of Griffalo, obviously all back of here, it's all touching the floor. So what I've got is a little round, just like a little round disc like that, which would be welded underneath Griffalo, just to higher the back end up a little bit, which will then get rid of all the lot of resistance at the back. So I'm not going to bother doing that one yet until I've got the tyres on, done, and then I could test it around in the garage, or hopefully with enough ground clearance we can test it out on the gravel. But there's no point in me doing that because I can't be bothered to take them off the ramp. So we're going to just grind them up, and hopefully that will sort it for now. Need to chop this piece off now, because we don't really need that anymore, so we chop that off. Save a little bit of weight as well. We weighed 104 kilograms on the weighing scales, which weren't too bad. But I know the tyres that I'm getting, they're going to be a kilogram, and obviously the tyres that I'm going to be screwing on, so yeah, it should be about 107, which is done, I reckon. So yeah, she's not too bad. So if you think those tusks are just 40mm box section, they're actually not. What I've done, I've lined them. So I've got another piece of box section inside of that to really stiffen it up. And I've done the same to these as well. So these are 30, but what I've done, I've put 25 inside of this, and I think I put another 20 inside of it. And then at work we've got electric rolling machine that can roll up to, well, can easily do 80mm solid, you know, solid bar. It can bend it like a roll, so you can roll it like that, you see. And that's what I've done on Griffalo, is rolled it. So that is pretty solid. So yeah, we should be okay there. So on the next one, I'm gonna get the arc welder out. Great. And yeah, do some welding. Not a huge fan of arc welding, haven't done it for a while. But yeah, I can do it. Just takes a bit of time. So that's what we're going to do now. Sorted, all back on. So in the next video we will be doing the wheels. So yeah, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. See you in the next one.